Maintenance chapter: How to change a vehicle's tire. 1. Prepare tools and vehicles. Park your vehicle in a flat, safe area. Pull up the handbrake and put it in gear to prevent sliding. Turn on the double flashing warning light. Preparation tools: jacks, wrenches, crowbars, new tires and air pumps, etc. Step 2. Remove old tires. Bleeding inspection. Release the air pressure of the old tire with a valve wrench. Avoid flat tires during disassembly. Loosen the bolt. Use a wrench to loosen the tire bolts diagonally. About 1 lap is enough. Avoid complete disassembly. Lifting vehicles. Place the jack at the designated support point. Raise slowly until the tires are off the ground. Remove the tires, fully unscrew the bolts. Remove the old tire and check the hub tire contact surface. Are there any residual stains? Step 3. Install new tires. Check the new tire. Confirm that the air pressure of the new tire is normal. Hub hole alignment. Tightening bolts. Preliminary: fixing bolts in diagonal order. Make sure the tires are centered. Lower the vehicle. Slowly lower the jack. Make the tires fully contact the ground. Final fastening: diagonal order with a wrench. Tighten the bolts to standard torque. Avoid being too tight. 4. Complete the follow-up inspection. Inflate to standard air pressure. Check each tire pressure with a tire pressure gauge. Confirm that the tires are not bulging. Hit the road after problems such as uneven wear and tear.